If you're working over 40 hours per week and every side hustle you tried has either failed or left you completely exhausted, there's a hidden barrier that nobody talks about. I call it the 40-hour wall. And it's the real reason why 95% of side hustles fail within 6 months for employed people. In the next 15 minutes, I'm gonna explain exactly what this wall is, why it's keeping you stuck living paycheck to paycheck despite working full time, and the one business model that actually breaks through it without stealing your nights and weekends, including the mistake that keeps most people trapped that I'll reveal later in this video. Let's go. So first, let me explain what the 40-hour wall actually is. Your body and mind have a finite capacity for productive work each week. For most people, that wall hits around 40 hours of focused work. Here's a math that nobody talks about. Between your full-time job, that's 40 hours, commuting another 5 to 10 hours, sleep 42 hours minimum, and basic life maintenance like eating, hygiene, household tasks, that's 21 hours. You have maybe 10 to 15 hours of actual free time per week. That's it. And that's if you have no kids and no social life. Now here's the cruel reality of every traditional side hustle. Uber and DoorDash, you're trading 1 hour of your life for $8 to $15 at their expenses. Freelancing, you're trading 1 hour of your expertise for $25 to $50. Dropshipping, that requires over 20 hours per week testing products and running ads. MLMs, they demand constant recruiting and social media posting, easily over 20 hours per week. All of these solutions ask you to do the same thing, work more hours. And this creates what I call the side hustle time trap. Let me tell you about the summer I learned this lesson the hard way. I was 19 years old. I just landed an internship at Microsoft. You know, the Microsoft. The kind of job my parents were proud of, the kind of job that came with prestige, a clear career path, a steady paycheck, but I had this nagging feeling that I wanted to build something of my own. So I decided to try a side hustle while I had some free time before the internship started. First failure, local business marketing. Summer of 2019, I spent the entire summer trying to help local businesses with their marketing. I cold called businesses, I sent emails, I posted in local Facebook groups, I created proposals, I practiced pitches. The result, not a single paying client. Zero. Zilch, nada. I felt like a complete failure. What was I doing wrong? I was offering good services, I was professional, I had the skills, but I couldn't get anyone to pay me. Second failure, the $900 eBay scam. But I couldn't shake the feeling that there had to be a way. So I tried again, this time eBay flipping inspired by Gary Vee's content about flipping items for profit. I scraped together $900, money I really couldn't afford to lose, to buy inventory to flip. And I got scammed. Lost the entire $900 to a scammer on eBay. Now I failed twice. Local business marketing, failed. eBay flipping, scammed. Maybe everyone was right. Maybe entrepreneurship wasn't for people like me. Maybe I should just accept the Microsoft job, climb the corporate ladder, and be grateful for a steady paycheck. Then March 2020 hit. COVID shut down the world. My college classes went fully online and I was stuck at home with all the free time in the world. My Microsoft internship was set to start in May and I looked at my bank account. Negative $40. Yes, negative, overdrawn, in debt, broke. I faced a choice. Option A, I just wait for the Microsoft internship to start. Safe, stable, secure, exactly what my parents wanted. Exactly what society told me was the smart choice. Or option B, use this unexpected free time to try entrepreneurship one more time. Risk everything. Probably failed for the third time. I had no business being anywhere near option B. The rational choice was obvious. Just wait for Microsoft, get back to positive money, stop this entrepreneurship fantasy. But here's what was eating at me. If I didn't try now with all this free time before my internship started, I'd never know. I'd always wonder what if. I'd spend the rest of my life in corporate meetings, secretly wondering if I gave up too soon. There's a special kind of pain in looking at the 65-year-old version of yourself and thinking you never even really tried. I took my last $5,000, borrowed money I couldn't afford to lose, and invested in a proper mentorship, a real program, not some YouTube guru course, actual legitimate training from someone running a real business. When I discovered service arbitrage, the program taught me something nobody else had mentioned. You don't need to be the expert. You need to connect businesses with experts. This was different. Every other side hustle I tried required me to do the work, be the expert, trade my time for money. This was about project management, relationship building, connecting the dots. I thought this feels too simple. If it was this easy, everyone would do it. But I was desperate. Negative $40 in the bank, $5,000 in debt from the program, no backup plan. I had to make this work. I followed the system exactly, chose a service, digital ads, identified my target market, online personal trainers, spent 30 minutes per day sending professional Instagram DMs, and within 3 days, I had my first sales call. An online personal trainer who was frustrated their ads weren't generating leads. I quoted them $2,000 for 3 months of ad management. They said yes. I hung up the phone and just sat there staring at the wall. $2,000. I spent an entire summer trying to get one client from my local marketing business and got zero. I lost $900 on the eBay flipping disaster, and now in 72 hours, in a simple DM system, I closed a $2,000 client. But here's where it gets crazy. That first month, I didn't stop at one client. I kept sending those DMs, 30 minutes per day, using the same scripts. By the end of the first month, I had 4 clients, $10,000 in monthly recurring revenue, $6,500 in my pocket after paying freelancers, all while spending maybe 10 hours per week managing everything. I went from negative $40 in my bank account to $10,000 months in 30 days. I'm not sharing this to brag. I'm sharing this because I know what it's like to feel like a failure after trying everything, be broke and desperate, have people tell you to just get a real job, wonder if you're cut out for entrepreneurship, and hit the 40-hour wall over and over and over again. And I want you to know, it's not you, it's the model. Every side hustle I tried before Service Arbitrage asked me to work more hours, to be the expert, to trade my time for money. Service Arbitrage was the first model that let me break through the 40-hour wall. And that's what I'm going to show you how to do. Now, if you've ever been in this exact position where you tried a side hustle, failed, lost money, and felt like maybe entrepreneurship just wasn't for you, comment the word wall below, because I want to know how many of you have hit this 40-hour wall and are ready to break through it. Now, the next thing you need to understand, and what most people don't realize, is the issue isn't that you need more discipline or better time management. The problem is that every traditional side hustle is built on the same broken assumption. To make more money, you must work more hours. This assumption works for young people with no responsibilities, people with high energy and no health issues, people without families. But it doesn't work for the 36 to 45% of Americans trying to run a side hustle while working full-time jobs with families and responsibilities. Think about it. Your boss knows that if you had even an extra $500 to $1,000 per month, you'd have options, leverage, the ability to walk away. That's why wages barely keep up with inflation. That's why you're living paycheck to paycheck despite doing everything right, because desperate employees are controllable. Now, before I show you the exact solution that breaks through this wall, I want to invite you to watch my free training where I break down the complete service arbitrage system step by step. In this training, I reveal the exact Instagram message system I used to land my first $2,000 client in 3 days. The word-for-word scripts that helped over 800 students generate their first supplemental income. How to get instant access to a proven fulfillment team so you never have to hunt for freelancers. And the complete roadmap to go from $0 to over $1,000 per month in 90 days while keeping your full-time job. Click the link in my description box to watch this free training now. Now let me show you what actually works. So here's the business model that changed my life. It's called service arbitrage. And before you think that sounds complicated, let me break it down. You don't need to be the expert. You need to connect businesses with experts. Here's how it works. Step 1, you find clients who need services. 30 minutes per day sending Instagram DMs. Local businesses need digital ads, SEO, video editing, web design, social media management. Step 2, you quote them a price. Let's say $600 per month for social media management. Step 3, you outsource the work to a specialist who delivers it for $250 per month. Step 4, you keep the margin, $350 per month profit. All you do is manage the relationship and quality control. You're not doing the actual work. You're not trading hours for dollars. You're building client relationships that pay you every month while specialists handle delivery. Think about it like this. Does the CEO of Nike make every shoe? No, but Nike makes billions. Does Oprah write every article in O Magazine? No, but she gets paid for every issue. Does the owner of a marketing agency personally design every website? No, but they collect payment for every project. They all use the same model. Connect people who need work done with people who can do it. Manage the relationship and keep the margin. This is what major agencies have done for decades. I'm just showing you how to do it as one person in your spare time with minimal startup costs. Now let me show you the actual time breakdown. So you might be thinking, okay, but where am I supposed to find time for this? Great question. Here's what your time investment actually looks like. Week 1 to 2, learning phase, 3 to 4 hours per week going through training, just watching videos and taking notes. Do it during lunch breaks or after kids are in bed. Week 3 to 8, client acquisition, 30 minutes per day sending Instagram DMs. That's 3.5 hours per week. 2 to 3 hours per week on sales calls, total 5 to 6 hours per week. After first clients, management phase, 30 minutes per day on client communication, 1 to 2 hours per week managing projects, total 4 to 6 hours per week. That's it, less than 1 hour per day. Compare that to Uber, minimum 15 to 20 hours per week to make decent money. Freelancing, 10 to 20 hours per week actually doing the service work. Dropshipping, over 20 hours per week testing products. And here's the proof this works. Gabe made $122,000 in revenue and $80,000 profit in a single month working part-time. Zachary landed 3 clients in just 2 days after implementing this system. Renee landed his first 1250 client within 4 days of starting. These are real people with real jobs and real families. If they can find 5 to 7 hours per week, you can too. Here's what makes this different from every other side hustle. With Uber, if you don't drive, you don't get paid. With freelancing, if you don't do the work, you don't get paid. But with service arbitrage, your clients pay you while the team does the work. You're managing, not executing. Let me show you the math. Month 1, you land your first client, $600 a month. You keep $350 profit after outsourcing. Month 2, you add a second client. Now you're making $700 a month total. Month 3, you add a third client. Now you add $1,050 a month. Here's the magic. You're still only working 5 to 7 hours per week. You didn't double your time investment. You just added more client relationships. This is what I mean by breaking through the 40-hour wall. You're not limited by your personal capacity to do work. You could take on more clients than you could personally serve. Each client relationship is an asset that generates income month after month, even while you sleep. Now let me address the biggest concern people have. But what if I can't find good freelancers? This is actually the smartest concern you could have, because yes, if you hire bad freelancers, your clients will be unhappy and your business won't work. Here's the thing most programs won't tell you. The hardest part isn't learning the model, it's not even landing clients. The hardest part is the 30 to 40 hours you spend hunting for freelancers on Upwork, praying they're actually good, and constantly worrying whether you can deliver what you promise. I spent 6 years building my fulfillment team, testing dozens of providers, dealing with disasters, refining the process until I had specialists I could trust with my 7-figure reputation. And I thought, why should every student have to go through that nightmare? This is why most people never even start. Or they start, hire one bad freelancer, and quit. But what if you didn't have to build your freelancer network from scratch? What if you had instant access to proven specialists who deliver thousands of successful projects? That's exactly what I cover in my free training, How to Get Direct Access to a Proven Fulfillment Team from Day One. Not some random list of freelancers you still have to vet. The actual team, proven specialists, people who've been refined over years of real client work. This means day one capability. You can sell services confidently because you know you can deliver. Zero vetting time, no spending weeks interviewing candidates. Proven quality, specialists who completed thousands of projects. Sleep at night confidence, you know the work will be done right. And this leads me to the next thing you need to understand. Remember at the beginning when I said I revealed the one mistake keeping most people trapped? Here it is. Most people are looking for side hustles that require zero effort. They want passive income. They want to make money while they sleep. They want to be completely automated. And that's why they fail, because those things don't exist. Trust me, I learned this the hard way. After I failed twice, losing an entire summer and $900, I was looking for the easy solution. But there is no easy solution. What does exist is a business model that fits around your life instead of consuming it. Builds actual assets, client relationships, instead of trading time forever. Scales beyond your personal capacity. Generates recurring income, not one-off gigs. But it still requires work. 5 to 10 hours per week of smart work, not 40 hours of hard work. The people who succeed are the ones who accept this reality and commit to putting in those 5 to 10 hours consistently for 90 days. When I was sitting there with negative $40 in my bank account, having failed twice with my Microsoft internship about to start, I made myself a promise. I would give myself one real shot at this. Not half-hearted, not I'll try for a few weeks, a real commitment. Had I not made that decision, I would have given up the moment things got hard. I probably would have quit after the first week when I realized how much work it actually took. But because I committed fully, borrowed that $5,000, followed the system exactly, sent those DMs every day for 30 minutes, I got results. And by the end of that first month, I had $10,000 in monthly recurring revenue. Imagine 90 days from now, you have 3 clients paying you $600, $700, and $500 per month. That's $1,800 coming in every month. Your emergency fund has $2,000 in it for the first time in years. You're still working your full-time job, keeping your benefits and stability, but you're spending 6 hours per week managing these client relationships. You still have dinner with your family every night. You still make it to your kids' soccer games. But now when your car breaks down and the mechanic says it's $850, you don't panic. You just pay it in cash. That's what breaking through the 40-hour wall looks like. Now at this point, you might be wondering, okay, but how do I actually get started? What are the exact steps? That's why I created a free training that walks you through the complete system, including the Instagram message system, the word-for-word scripts, how to get instant access to my proven fulfillment team, and the 90-day roadmap to your first $1,000 month or more. Watch this training where I'll show you exactly how to break through the 40-hour wall and start generating real supplemental income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in that training.